You've laid the foundation. You set your academic goals, you recorded your extracurricular activities as reminders, and you're entering your assignments daily. You're following your assignment plans in Alta Ipsum, earning points and avoiding procrastination because you can easily plan your work around the other important things in your life. You feel less stress simply because you have plans and are following them. And you really are better prepared for your quizzes, and your writing is improving, and you're getting to bed at a decent time because you're not doing it all at the last minute. Feels good. But now you're ready to step it up a notch. With languages especially, you know you learn better if, instead of cramming the night before, you just do a little extra studying a few days a week. But it's hard to make that commitment, and our brains prefer easy tasks. The Alta Ipsum study plan feature makes it easy to add a simple study plan that you can then just follow on the days you choose. I'll commit to studying my Spanish vocabulary on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays from 8 to 8:15 p.m. Studies have shown that studying languages at night before you go to sleep leads to better retention. I can easily move a plan if I don't have time on a given day, and I get 5 points for completing each plan. But most importantly, I get the benefit of regular studying that helps me master a language. I get the satisfaction of committing to better study habits, and I can now do my best on quizzes and tests and achieve my goals.